Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to update the Recruit settings in Workyss. Start by going to the Settings menu. Click on Recruit Settings. In the first tab, General, you can customize your company's career page, manage the job application experience, display your company information, configure legal terms, and customize the quick application form for candidates. At the top of the page, you'll find several options. First is Enable Career Site. Turn it on to publish your company's career page so candidates can view jobs and apply online. For this tutorial, we'll leave it enabled. Next is Google reCAPTCHA. Enable this option to protect your application forms from spam and bots. Candidates will complete a quick verification before submitting their application. For this example, we'll leave it disabled. The third option is Job Alert. Enable this option to let visitors receive email notifications when new jobs are posted. For this example, we'll leave it disabled. Now, let's complete the company information. Company name. Enter your company name. For example, new company. Company website. Enter your company's official website. For example, www.newcompany.com. On the right, you'll find company logo. Click the upload area to select your company logo. For the best appearance, use a high-quality image. The logo will appear on your career site and job postings. The next section is About Company. Use this editor to create an introduction that candidates will see on your career page. You can format your content with headings, bold, italic, underline, lists, images, links, and more. Here's an example you can use. Next is Legal Term Text. Use this section to add the terms and conditions candidates must accept before submitting their application. Now scroll down to Quick Add Form Settings. These options control which fields appear in the quick job application form. Enable the fields you need. For this tutorial, we'll enable email, phone, current location, total experience, and cover letter. Next is Duplicate Job Application Restriction, in days. Enter the number of days to prevent duplicate applications. For example, enter 180. Then, set Offer Letter Reminder to Candidate, in days. For example, enter 4 to send a reminder email 4 days after an offer letter is sent. Finally, choose your career page background. Select background image to upload a banner, or choose background color for a simple branded look. Then, click Save to apply your changes. Next, click on Footer Settings tab. This section lets you create custom footer pages for your career site. To create a new footer link, click the Add Footer Link button. A new window will appear. Enter the title, such as Privacy Policy. The slug is generated automatically from the title. Set the status to Active to publish the page. Then, add your content in the description editor. You can format the text with headings, lists, links, and images. For this example, we'll create a privacy policy page. Then click Save to add the link. Now, let's check the career site to make sure everything has been updated. From the side menu, go to Recruit and click Career Site. Your career site now displays the updated company logo, company description, and About Company section. At the bottom, candidates can access the privacy policy footer link. Next, click on Recruiter Settings tab. This tab lets you assign recruiters to manage jobs and applications. Click on Add New Recruiter button. Select the employee you want to assign as a recruiter. For example, choose Eric Carter. Then click Save. The recruiter will now appear in the list. Next, click on Notification tab. This tab lets you configure email notifications for the recruitment process. Configure which recruitment activities send email notifications to candidates and recruiters. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Next, click on Job Application Status. This section allows you to create and manage the stages that candidates move through during your recruitment process. You can customize the recruitment workflow by adding new status columns, choosing their colors, and arranging their order. To create a new status, click Add Status. Select the category that best matches the purpose of the status. For this example, choose Interview. Next is Status. Enter the name of the new application status. For example, HR Review. This status will appear in the recruitment pipeline. Next, choose a color to easily identify this status on the recruitment board. Choose where the new status should appear in the recruitment workflow. The last option is Apply Model Actions. Enable this option if you want Workyss to automatically perform the default actions associated with this status, such as triggering notifications or workflow automation. And click Save. Next, click on Custom Question tab. This section lets you create custom questions for job applications. To add a new question, click *Add Question. Select the category. For this example, choose Job Application. Enter your question, such as why are you interested in this position? Set the status to Enable and is required to Yes. Then, choose the type. For this example, select Text. When you're done, click Save. Next, click on Custom Fields tab. This section allows you to create additional fields for the job application form. Custom fields help you collect specific information that isn't included in the default application form. To create a new custom field, click Add Field. Select the category. For this example, choose Job Application. Enter the field label, such as Salary. Set as required. For this example, choose Number. Select the type. For this example, choose Number. Enable Show in Table View and allow export in Table View if needed. Then, click Save. The custom field will be added to the job application form. Next, click on Source tab. Recruitment sources help you track where candidates discovered your job openings. To create a new recruitment source, click Add. Enter the source name. For this example, enter Indeed. You can also add sources such as Glassdoor, company website, employee referral, or Google Jobs. Then, click Save. The new source will be available for future job applications. That's it. You've successfully configured the Recruit settings in Workyss. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more tutorials.